Hi everyone, welcome back to the Local Loop, and today I am so happy to bring to you Dan Wice, who is a life insurance specialist. I thought it would be great to meet here. I actually closed on this house on Friday morning, and this happened Friday evening. Can you believe this? I mean, sometimes you never know what's going to happen in life, right?
You have to plan for unexpected risks, that's for sure.
I know you deal with a lot of life insurance, and this is a topic that nobody likes to talk about because who wants to talk about someone dying, right?
Exactly. No one sits around and thinks about while they're with their family that I can't wait to talk to someone about life insurance, but usually life-changing events such as buying a home, getting married, having children, getting divorced are usually triggering events that should and would cause someone to think about, should I have life insurance to eliminate a risk, not like a tree falling on your house, but God forbid something happens to you from a financial perspective. My family needs to be able to continue to live in the lifestyle that they're living, and there's a lot of factors that come into play, and it's the time of life that you should consider looking into it.
So when do people typically come to you?
They usually come to me after the closing has happened, because then they know that they have this financial obligation.
Your home insurance,
exactly.
That you should get before you.
This you want to plan beforehand, but life insurance is something that you would want to take care of after you've gone through the process of purchasing the home. And you know what your mortgage obligation is going to be. You know what kind of time frame you have, and it also certain factors that come into play is what kind of income do you need to replace? How many children do you have? That will help with how long of coverage that you need to get, and other factors that might come into play. So that's the time that you should sit down with someone, and everyone is unique. It's not a cookie cutter approach. It's not a black and white scenario. It should be something that you have a discussion with someone that you know and trust in the insurance business to come up with the proper plan and do that. Some of the other factors that or questions that I get asked all the time are, am I too old? Am I too young?
Yeah.
What if I have a health issue? There's a lot of opportunity that's out there with many different insurance carriers, and I don't work with any insurance company in particular. I work with the marketplace, so I work with over 40 different insurance companies. Depending on what someone's needs are and what their circumstances are, I can go to the right insurance company to help get the right coverage. So health might not be as much of a risk as you thought it might be. People are living healthier lifestyles, but if you have a health condition, there are usually carriers that will allow you to be covered. The age doesn't really matter. I've written policies for as young as a 20-year-old or as old as an 80-year-old. So anywhere in between, if there's someone financially dependent on your income, and it's a risk that you can eliminate.
Okay.
That's
wow.
for sure.
Great. That's a lot of great information. Thank you so much.
My pleasure.
And we'll see you at our next episode of the Local Loop.